Hello, Lapis lovers! It is me, Casey, and today I'm going to be showing you my doggy. I know I did a video on my dog before in the past, but that didn't really give you examples. All it was is, yo, this is DJ Doggy, and I'm here to tell you that this kind Lapis lover, blah, 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 blah. I did it to entertain and introduce my dog. I think it did more of the entertain part more than the introduce my dog part. So, let me introduce you better way to my puppy dog. Here he is. So, my puppy dog, his name is, who cares? His name is Vanilla. His middle name is Ice. I know. Vanilla Ice. I know. He's a Chihuahua. He's not a puppy. He's about 2 years old. He is a purebred. He is just a Chihuahua. He's not a mutt. He's very tiny. Here, let's compare sizes. My foot and him. He's very small. He can stand. Let me just sit down here. Yeah. He's white. He has like these little marks on his neck. There. He's a fine looking dog, if I do say so myself. Think of him as like the channel mascot too. He is amazing. Look into his eyeballs. Vanilla! Nick, come here. I'm laying down right now. Oh, he's on me. Oh, did you see that, guys? He literally was he jumped onto that chair. There he goes. So, yeah, that's pretty much my dog. I can show you where he sleeps. But, here's where he sleeps. So, yeah. Mirror. Yeah, I know my iPod's pink. Ignore that. Ignore that. So yeah, that's this video. I'm just telling you a little bit about my doggy. Yeah. So let me just go into this little nook between my fish tank and this. Yeah, there we go. Fit snug. So, that's the video. Thank you for watching this 3-minute video of my dog. If you liked it, please like it. If you don't, just read the words. That's all. That's yeah. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later.